Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So we are closing up, we're going down the road, so we are bringing you guys with us. We are going to the town of Discovery Bay. Yeah, so no, forgive my trashy look. I'm just in a really simple top, wifey top, and a little purse and thing. Get my lock up. Yeah, I know I don't look the best all the time on the vlogs, but I'm not going to apologize. This is how you look. I look when I'm at home. So, and I'm at home. I'm not going to dress up fancy to go to DB. So yeah, so let's see if we get one taxi. And oh yes, you see this? Oh yes, this lighting is Boo, can take some picture. Sure. Oh yeah, do.
Yeah, fix the rubbish bin. The rubbish man is not doing a good job.
Right.
I'm going to take one job.
This light, come up on the lighting here, so. Wait. Nice, that's true.
Yeah.
Yes, now look who pressed it. Oh, yes. Yes, guys, so at least we're coming out of the house today to give you guys a vlog. So, so boring and Liam. So let's go to Discovery Bay, guys. See you when we get there. Bye. good. Wait a minute. Kim, you can't. No. What did I do? Kim, what did I do? You don't want so much bun? We don't want so much bun, Kim. No. Don't play. I need to go take the time and pop by people themselves, boy. Guys, this is what I have to do when I go to the supermarket. It's me out here to try to food. Right? Anyways, I want multiple things that we really need here. I want soap, from soap, yep. Let's have to do some laundry tomorrow. So I got this one. It smells so good. If you're Jamaican, you know this. Smells so good.
Never it.
What else you want? What's what you say you want?
No, no, what you want?
Oh, chicken. I want small chicken.
Bula.
Oh, you love Bula?
Bula, guys. Bula, real Bula. Love Bula, bad.
We need one bread.
Grannis?
How much is that?
150. 152.
It can't work.
Yeah, we're not having enough bread. And we
don't eat enough bread. Last time, no, you can't do that.
That's
You
what
can't
I'm
put the
saying.
bread pan in this. You have to know up the pot. But you see it? You want the bread taste like the no, you can't. Alright, let me carry it. Alright, let me carry it.
Where's the have in your hand? This can go on. This can go on chicken. Can go on.
Look at it. Me having it on my hand. No.
We should take up this last. You need to waste time.
But what we need is to no, I'm gonna say no more. Okay, Mama got chicken. Oh. Hello. What? Need some chicken. Want chicken? Want chicken?
Chicken?
No, but he moved them. I am normally take them more time because we can eat.
Yeah. Fries.
Let me see. I said one little take up. No, you want to take up that one? How much fun chicken in there over here? So I have to go with him. I'm gonna mix it, yeah. No. Wait, hold on. Let me see what else in here. We have we're not francs. Francs over here for you. Can I get one franc? I don't know that one. You want one?
Hey, Frank.
Come over there, sir.
Where's that take out?
That's it.
You want to go? You want to go, friends?
You don't think I took up here already? Do I get fries? And things. We probably don't want to go. No, just put them in one set.
We'll put them in a cabin now.
4.5?
4.5. Yeah, this good. Alright. You buy peas?
Yes.
How much is peas? Alright.
What is this other one? We have majority of things and to cook. We have majority of things and to cook tomorrow. So I don't really want nothing too tough. Yeah. I have everything I need already. Just a few things to be run out of. No, just one for every time. What else? Snacks as usual. coming up to Easter time, so they're gonna have a buns and something on display. So better go on with them bun over there. So yes, love
180
bridge.
and it done. Can I buy one of that for 180?
What flavor? Guess the right flavor. What flavor?
It is. I don't see no flavors.
Yes.
I think a pineapple also.
No wonder. Then you can get like a strawberry one. Yeah. Strawberry.
Mommy, Mr. DJ, me there.
Get some tea.
It's on cheaper, the Royal Art.
Take up to Royal, can you see what that is?
What do I say?
I might take up some more things. You need one bill. That's how they know.
Yeah, buy that instead.
Okay.
Cheaper. McPhee Easter bun.
Oh, so what I talk about here, see?
It's a Easter bun.
Is that yummy?
Expensive?
How much you want bun now? $1,100 for one yummy. Hello. Now we have the regular Easter bun.
How much it is?
That's
£6.
$6.45.
You can buy one of them, a regular bun. How much is this? This half expensive. That is the price. Have a call. This one have.
Oh, see price. See price.
1,000 are the same price.
Same price as the
Yummy.
yummy Easter buns.
Yeah, but egg? Alright, that's alright.
We have that. We have
Oh, yeah.
up there already.
That's
How
it?
much cash? Because I got never roll. You want anything to drink? Yeah, one from me. Oh, no, come!
This is what we see, man.
Alright, we'll cash out now. And then we head back down.
Container road.
And let them know what one.
1 week later.
So, good morning, guys. Good morning. So, from the last clip, this is a whole new week. I'm so sorry we didn't get to complete that day, but the phone battery died and we just came home off the road. So this is breaking. Anyways, as I was saying, it was the camera battery died and we didn't even bother to complete the day. But yeah, so this is what is happening. Days over here doing the dishes. So, Sam, no one say hi.
Your face dirty and things. Not to wake up good.
So, just telling hi to the morning.
What's up, people? I'm here doing my job, my daily job, clean up the place. Some people don't want to clean up the place.
What that's supposed to mean?
I don't know. I don't know what they want to interpret it.
They old. You're kind of thought them of dang. No man live here. But anyways, so I wanted to comb my hair on the veranda, but oh, there's like two braids. I can't go see me. And things. So guys, in the last clip or the last part, the last clip, because it's going to be a continuation of that. What is your favorite Easter bun? Like, which one of the buns that I showed you is your favorite? Because for me, I don't like raisins. So anything with like raisin and like the fruits, something, I not really like them. I not really. So I just really go for the regular bun, the regular everyday bun. Not saying that I won't or wouldn't eat the Easter bun, but I'm not really fancy to all of that. So which bun is your favorite bun? The bun where I have to get every year. You know? Tell me. Comment down below. We realized that you guys are loving the vlogs. As usual, I am so grateful for the communication in the comment section. I am loving it. I'm living for the comments. Keep them coming as always. Yeah, keep them coming as always. And don't forget, you can go and add us on social media. They'll be listed in the description, so you can go down there. Yeah, I'll be on Snapchat, Instagram. I'm always posting on Snapchat, so you can go over there and follow me. Follow me there on Snapchat, and you can, send me a snap or whatever. We could talk, all of that good stuff. So yeah, all of that. Don't be afraid to text me, link me, or whatever. I'm not a big fan of Twitter, so you don't have to. No. But yeah, I'm always on Instagram and on Snapchat, so you can always go there and actually communicate with me there as well. And tell no, I'm holding the camera too close. Whoop. Back up. Are you people going to Carnival though, by the way? Like, we were planning to go to the Carnival Ochi Auntie last weekend.
Yeah, very true.
So we were planning to go to Carnival there. So I'm not sure how it will play out, but we want to go there, but we want to vlog that event as well. Yeah. So we have a few of the things planned for the end of the month, but I don't know what will work out for the end of the month. So that's a one. So maybe just kind of comb me here and thing. Yeah. And you all know that this is my go-to hairstyle on a Saturday. This is what I look like. It's very easy to do. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm finished now. I'm done with that. Alright, so guys, guess what? I'm going to end this vlog right here, and then the next vlog will be just a continuation of this vlog, because I don't want to bore you guys with a lot of what is going on. So I'm just going to end the vlog here and, you know, continue the vlog next vlog. So that's all. I think that is a good idea. So let you make you down. Bye. Kim, tell him bye. Tell him bye, because we are in the vlog.
I see.
Just tell him bye, because we're in the vlog.
Alright guys, take care. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and down in the comment box guys, tell us which one do you want us to buy for you for the Easter.
Alright then, so he's going back to his thing, so obviously I disturb him again. So yeah. Alright. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and like, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet to the Gordonz. Then what are you doing with your life? You need to be subscribed. Follow us around and enjoy the content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.